Hey there! Today we have an awesome video about Kickstart lined up for you. We're going to walk you through step by step how to set up the PSE Softstarters for kickstarting function. By the end of this, you'll have a solid understanding of the process and ready to tackle it like a pro. Let's dive in. We have divided the video into two sections. 1. What is the kickstart function? 2. How to set up PSE for kickstart. The kickstart function helps loosen the motor's initial friction by applying a higher voltage level for a set time. This provides enough torque to get the motor moving while still ensuring a soft start. If the kickstart function is enabled on the soft starter, start ramp will follow automatically after the kickstart is performed. Kickstart helps to overcome initial load inertia, especially for applications that needs a little extra push at start. It can be useful for jammed pumps, or if loaded start is required for a crusher or long conveyor applications. Before jumping on to the parameter settings, let's review how to navigate the PSE Softstarter HMI. Press the left exit button for canceling parameter edits and moving up one level on the menu. Press the right select reset button for changing and storing parameter values, moving down one level on the menu, and to reset the tripping events. Use the arrow buttons for navigation and changing parameter values. Now that we know more about the kickstart function, let's dive into the parameter settings of the PSE Softstarter. PSE offers a simple and easy-to-use interface for configuring kickstart. From the information level, press the select button to switch to the settings level. Once you're in the settings level, use arrow buttons to navigate to the kickstart option, which is represented by a graphical symbol. A cursor will indicate which parameter is possible to change at each position. Through this parameter, you can enable or disable the functionality. Selecting off will result in disabling kickstart. Default value is off. Selecting a level will automatically enable the function. The setting range of kickstart is adjustable between 30 to 100% of the nominal voltage. It can be set on any of the predefined voltage levels. Press select to start configuring the function. Flashing numbers shown on the display indicates that the value can be changed. Press arrow buttons to change the values according to your application needs. Consider 50% as a good starting point. Press select to save the change. For each kickstart voltage level, there is a fixed corresponding time duration, which increases as the voltage level increases. However, it is possible to set the kickstart time individually by using ABB Softstarter Care. If you'd like to learn more about Softstarter Care, check out our how-to videos and follow ABB's YouTube channels for upcoming content. Important information to take into account. Kickstart parameter settings can change according to your application and conditions. In case of loads that have high starting inertia, increasing the kickstart level and kickstart time may be needed. Keep in mind that the current limit does not work during kickstart.